Hello, fellow artists. I get a lot of questions, and the biggest question I get from teachers around my building are, can I borrow some brown? And I always look at them and say, absolutely not. Although they're really upset at first, I say, wait a minute. I can teach you how to make brown. So meet me at the board, and that's what we'll be doing together today. Good morning, fellow artists. Today we're learning how to make brown. Can't tell you how many times I get the question from other teachers. Mrs. Kanka, I don't have any brown paint. What am I going to do? And I say, well, I don't really have any to give you, but I'll bet you can make it. And they're like, what are you talking about? You can't go out and make it. But you can mixing colors. If you take all the primary colors, you get brown. Okay, so here we go. You know it's a song. Always have to be a song. The tune to this song, the primary color song, is Farmer in the Dell. So here we go. The primary colors are red, yellow, blue. So we'll start from the top. 1, 2, ready, go. Red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue. The primary colors are red, yellow, blue. And when you mix them all together, you get brown. Ta-da! So you're probably wondering about that sign language again. So here we go. Red, yellow, blue. And when you mix them all together, you get brown. Remember, boys and girls, we're all some kind of brown. Some lighter, some darker, some redder, some browner, all kinds. And that's what makes the world go round. You have a great day today. Sing our song one more time before we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue. The primary colors are red, yellow, blue. And when you mix them all together, you get brown. Have a great day.